I got your puppy. You got your puppy. Just pull his tail and his foot, not let everybody. It's okay. Oh, wait, don't be scared.
There are signs that some may be evolving into even deadlier forms. With a little extra help.
What's all that fake coughing over there?
Since humans have a complicated relationship.